Could the US dollar really lose its position as the world's most important currency? And can BRICS actually replace it?
Over the past few years, the BRICS nations have attracted global attention with discussions about trade, finance, and international cooperation.
But what exactly is BRICS? And why are so many people asking whether it could challenge the US dollar? Let's separate the facts from the headlines. BRICS is a group of major emerging economies. The name originally came from Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa.
Together, these countries represent a large share of the world's population and play an important role in global trade and economic growth. The group's main goal is to strengthen economic cooperation and increase trade between its member countries.
In recent years, BRICS has expanded by welcoming new member countries, increasing its global influence.
Many member countries want to strengthen trade with each other and reduce costs by increasing the use of their own currencies in some transactions.
That's why some people wonder whether BRICS could one day challenge the US dollar. But the answer is more complicated than many headlines suggest. The US dollar remains the world's leading reserve currency because it's widely trusted and used in global trade and finance.
Millions of international transactions, investments, and financial contracts still rely on the US dollar every single day.
So replacing the dollar isn't as simple as creating another alliance. It would require deep financial markets, global trust, and widespread international adoption.
One idea that often makes headlines is the possibility of a shared BRICS currency. But turning that idea into reality would be extremely complex.
Each BRICS country has its own economy, monetary policy, and financial priorities. Coordinating all of them would be a major challenge.
For now, most economists believe the global financial system is becoming more diverse. Not that the US dollar is about to disappear.
Even without replacing the US dollar, BRICS could gradually increase the use of local currencies in trade between its member countries.
That doesn't mean the dollar suddenly disappears. It simply means the global financial system may become more diversified over time.
For most Americans, the biggest takeaway isn't fear. It's understanding how global economic changes can influence markets, investments, and everyday financial decisions.
The global economy has never stood still. As countries grow and markets evolve, the financial system continues to adapt.
The future may become more multipolar, but trust, stability, and strong financial institutions will continue to shape the world's leading currencies.
The real question isn't whether one currency wins or loses. It's how the global economy continues to change, and why understanding those changes matters.
Whether it's the US dollar, BRICS, or any other economic alliance, one thing is certain: the global economy will continue to evolve.
The biggest advantage isn't predicting the future. It's understanding how global finance works so you can make smarter financial decisions.
If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe to the Revenue Codex for more videos that make money, business, and the global economy easy to understand.